Hey gang, I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. The world of gaming is about to change forever, and if you're not paying attention, you're going to miss out on one of the biggest opportunities of this generation. AI and the Metaverse are shaking up the industry in ways we never imagined. What if I told you that video games of the future will design themselves, learn from players in real time, and create experiences so immersive that they feel more real than reality itself? We're talking about a world where AI-powered game development and the Metaverse redefine how we play, interact, and even make money. This is not just about fun, it's about business, investment, and financial freedom. Whether you're a gamer, a developer, or an entrepreneur looking for your next big move, now is the time to get ahead of the curve and capitalize on these game-changing innovations. Imagine AI algorithms creating entire game worlds, generating characters with unique personalities, and even writing complex storylines that adapt to every choice you make. No more repetitive missions, predictable NPCs, or static game mechanics. AI is making games smarter, more dynamic, and endlessly replayable. Developers can now use AI-powered tools to automate tedious tasks like coding, animation, and game balancing, allowing them to focus on innovation and creativity. And guess what? This means that smaller studios and even solo developers can compete with big-budget companies. The rise of AI-driven game creation levels the playing field, opening doors for new businesses and indie developers who want to disrupt the industry. This is the ultimate moment to start a game development business because the technology is making it faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever before. Now let's talk about the Metaverse. This isn't just a buzzword, it's the evolution of digital interaction. Games will no longer be limited to single-player or even multiplayer modes. They will be full-scale virtual universes where players can own property, run businesses, trade virtual goods, and even build their own economies. Games like Fortnite, Roblox, and Decentraland have already shown us a glimpse of what's possible. But what happens when AI merges with the Metaverse? We get self-evolving worlds where AI-generated environments change based on user behavior. Imagine entering a game where cities expand and adapt based on how many players interact with them, where NPCs have real emotions and can hold meaningful conversations, where virtual real estate has real-world value, and where blockchain technology ensures true ownership of in-game assets. This is not science fiction. This is the near future of gaming. Now let's talk business. The Metaverse and AI are creating massive new revenue streams for game developers, investors, and entrepreneurs. In-game economies are becoming as profitable as real-world markets, with NFT collectibles, digital fashion, and play-to-earn mechanics driving multi-billion-dollar transactions. Think about games where players earn cryptocurrency just by playing, where skins and items are real assets that can be sold or traded, and where virtual land can be rented or flipped for profit. This is happening right now, and those who understand how to navigate this new digital frontier will become the next generation of gaming moguls. If you've ever wanted to start a gaming business, the best time is now. Whether you create games, run a virtual goods marketplace, or build a metaverse experience, you can capitalize on this booming industry. But let's not ignore the challenges. AI in gaming raises ethical concerns. What happens when algorithms manipulate player behavior to increase engagement? How do we ensure games remain fair and not addictive? What about data privacy? Who owns the AI-generated content? And with the Metaverse, there are still major questions about accessibility, inclusivity, and regulation. The companies that solve these problems will become the industry leaders of tomorrow. Smart entrepreneurs will focus on building ethical AI, secure blockchain-based economies, and inclusive metaverse platforms that cater to diverse communities. Game developers must start learning new skills today. AI and metaverse technology are reshaping the job market, and those who don't adapt will be left behind. Traditional game design is merging with AI programming, blockchain development, and virtual world building. If you want to be at the forefront of this industry, start learning about AI-powered tools like OpenAI's Codex, Unity's ML agents, and procedural generation engines. Learn how to create AI-driven NPCs, experiment with AI-generated level design, and dive into the world of metaverse development with platforms like Unreal Engine, Sandbox, and VRChat. If you're a business-minded person, look at ways to integrate AI and blockchain into gaming monetization strategies. The companies that innovate in this space will be the tech giants of the future. The way we experience games is about to undergo the biggest transformation in history. Imagine wearing a VR headset and stepping into a fully AI-powered metaverse, where every interaction feels as real as life itself. Imagine playing a game where every NPC has memories, emotions, and a unique personality. Imagine a gaming industry where AI does all the heavy lifting, allowing developers to create better games in half the time. The line between the real world and the virtual world is blurring, and those who understand this shift will be the ones who profit from it. The future of gaming belongs to those who embrace change. AI and the metaverse are not just trends, they are fundamental shifts that will redefine entertainment, business, and technology. If you want to build wealth in the gaming industry, you need to start now. Research AI tools, invest in metaverse projects, and position yourself as an innovator in this space. Whether you're a game developer, a gamer, or an entrepreneur looking for your next big opportunity, the time to act is today. The gaming industry is evolving at an unstoppable pace, and if you position yourself correctly, you can build a business, create wealth, and achieve financial freedom through gaming. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on how to capitalize on these game-changing trends. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video, where we turn dreams into billionaire success stories.